Hey, how you doing, Austin? We're going to talk about Cardano. We're going to talk about the latest and greatest of what's going on with Cardano, price projections, and where I think Cardano is going to end up from a price prediction standpoint. We're also going to talk about a converter that is coming out that bridges Ethereum and Cardano. Very interesting news here. It just shows how they are getting even closer together. And it's really some pretty cool stuff. We'll also look at a real simple piece of information that talks about what makes Cardano unique. Okay, so this is something you should be aware of as well. As always, I appreciate you and your support of myself, my channel, my videos. Thank you very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Make you aware that I have my Patreon group over here, just right here, show more. Click on the link below in the description, check it out. You can join, you get direct access to me. You also get portfolio guidance and help if you need it or want it. I'm more than happy to help guide you in this crypto journey. You also get access to see my inner circle portfolio. You get trade alerts, you get hot crypto alerts. You also get access to the Discord, the private community, which is pretty darn cool, if I must say so myself. If you're tired of being alone in this crypto journey, check it out. You can join and cancel at any time. I would also say, look, here's the bottom line. At $20, it costs less than it costs you to go out and have dinner. So there you go. Depends on what you're eating, though, for dinner. Okay. Drop in the comments below. What do you think Cardano is going to be trading at by the end of the year? I'm always curious to see what your guys' opinion is. What do you think Cardano is going to be trading at by the end of this year, the end of 2021? I think it's extremely doable to look at a $6 to $8 price point by the end of the year from a price prediction standpoint. And I'm hoping that I'm wrong and that it is more. Everybody pretty much readily agrees from a price prediction standpoint that Cardano easily is going to be a $10 crypto sometime into 2020. There's discussion around 15, and there's also discussion around valuations as high as 20. Now, before you jump on me in the comments below and start doing the math and say, yeah, but for Austin, for it to reach a $20 valuation, it has to be this. Understand that Cardano, again, I didn't say that. I'm just saying that that's some of the things that are out there. I think it's more reasonable, probably a 10, 12, 15 kind of high. That's kind of what I think. But also you have to realize that Cardano will not rise in a vacuum, right? Cardano will rise along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and rise as the overall market cap of the entire cryptocurrency world rises as well. Always remember that. Those valuations rise in proportion and in accordance. There's a word of the day, with everything else that's going on in the entire crypto market. Okay, I think that Cardano has firmly and completely established itself as the number 3 crypto in all 11,000 plus cryptos out there. Rightfully so. It's where it should be, and it's where it should belong because of what it does. So from a price action standpoint, we're at 281. We're down about 1.53, which really doesn't surprise me. The overall market is a little flat. Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing respectively 24-hour and 7-day right here. But you can see that Cardano is sitting at a nice 15.97 in the last 7 days, running up to 281. And again, I look at it from a very simple economics kind of standpoint. 281, there's still a tremendous amount of upside in Cardano. I own Cardano, by the way, and secondly, I'm not being paid by anybody at Cardano to do this video. So don't think about dropping in the comments going, this guy's being paid. I'm not. I cover Cardano because it's one of my major holdings along with Ethereum, and I love what Cardano is doing. Okay. So we're looking good here. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, so what makes Cardano unique? Here's what I would show you right here. These 5 advantages of Cardano. Number 1, fast transactions. Cardano is created to be highly scalable. It provides 250 plus transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 15. Now, we all know that when Ethereum moves away from proof of work to proof of stake, that their transaction count will dramatically go up as well, right? Okay. They have extremely cheap gas fees, which is very, very attractive, okay? Proof of stake model allows Cardano to offer nominal transaction fees on its network. Average cost of a transaction on Cardano costs around 1 cent, or so 0.1 ADA, apologize, which equates to a couple of cents compared to this to $15 per price on Ethereum. There's a higher degree of decentralization in Cardano. Cardano is eco-friendly because of its proof of stake model. It is eco-friendly. And passive income. Every Cardano holder has the opportunity to gain passive income by staking their ADA coins. The procedure is simple as purchasing ADA coins and locking them up in a wallet. Okay, so let's talk about this Cardano to launch an ERC20 converter on testnet next week. This is a pretty big deal, actually. Cardano will launch an ERC20 token used to convert assets from Ethereum to Cardano or vice versa. Next week, the feature will be available on the testnet. Cardano has announced in a video that it will launch an ERC20 converter to transfer Ethereum assets to Cardano's testnet. This test will take place next week, and it should prove to be an interesting experiment that could lead to a significant game changer. Okay, in May, the new tool for migration was revealed for the first time. It allows users to transfer Ethereum-based tokens to Cardano blockchain. The executive added the tools designed for both token issuers and end users. It's a bridge connecting the Ethereum network and Cardano that allows for easy migrations of Ethereum-based assets. Be a self-service and easy to use. Focus on conveniently bringing users over from larger platforms. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Also, remember, I didn't lead with this, but we got to talk about this. September 12th is the date that smart contracts go live on Cardano. Yay. Been coming for right around 4 years. Firmly believe that the price action is going to move up accordingly. If we can get the overall crypto market to turn back on, so to speak, and get Bitcoin and Ethereum moving back and kind of in the right green direction, Cardano will continue to make a run. It's got a psychological barrier at $3 right here, right now, from a kind of a resistance standpoint to move over. I think once we bust past that, and we will, in accordance with kind of Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of beginning to make some bull run moves of their own. Wow. Okay. That we should do that. Everybody knows that this September 12th deadline and kind of not deadline, but this September 12th event is out there. So I think it's very, 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 very doable for Cardano to hit $3.50, $4 leading up to September 12th. Possibility of 5 or 6 around September 12th. Entirely possible that when we get to the event itself, we will see a sell-off of some form or fashion. Historically, that happens in crypto. People kind of go, "Oh my God, I got to get out. I got to take my little mini, my little profits, etc." I think I'm just giving you kind of heads up, fair warning. That is entirely possible, where you get the kind of the run up, right, the movement up on the rumor, the news, if you will, and you sell at the event. Personally, I'm not going to, because I see the long-term potential. I see the long-term potential of a $10 to $15 price point. I own Cardano at about $1 and right around $2.20 is kind of my price points that I bought in at. And so for me, whatever that cost averaging is, let's call it $1.50, $1.70, give or take, somewhere in that area. Don't do math in public. For me, it's a real simple equation. If it goes to 10, that is what about that? It's a little bit over 5x. Is that right? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. If it goes to 10, that's 5 times my money. If it goes to 15, it's 7, 8 times my money. I like those numbers. Those are incredibly good numbers to be looking at and to kind of look at and say, okay, this is a really, really good one. Cardano is one of the main ones that I recommend to my private members to either A, have, and or B, be adding to their positions. I think even at these price points, 281, it's not a bad buy to add to your position, because I think there's a tremendous amount of upside in this crypto. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate you. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Have a good one. Bye.